Hello everyone, and welcome back to AhTech. Today, we're taking you deep into one of the most valuable agricultural industries in the world, the harvest of Rosa Damascena and the precision processing of rose essential oil in Bulgaria. Before sunrise, workers begin harvesting Rosa Damascena by hand. Why this early? Because within the first 2 hours of daylight, essential oil concentration peaks at its highest level. To produce just 2.2 pounds of rose oil, it takes nearly 8,000 pounds of fresh petals. That's about 4 US tons of flowers for something that fits inside a small glass bottle. Each worker collects roughly 45 to 65 pounds of roses per morning. The flowers are placed into breathable sacs to prevent internal heat buildup that could destroy volatile aromatic compounds. The petals must reach the distillery within 1 to 2 hours. After that, oxidation begins reducing quality. In this industry, time literally equals money. If you value precision in modern agriculture, like this video and subscribe to AhTech for more global farming insights. At the processing facility, batches of 1,100 to 2,200 pounds of petals are loaded into large copper stills. Precision weighing systems ensure consistent output every single cycle. Steam heated to 212 degrees Fahrenheit moves through the petals, releasing essential oil vapors. This traditional steam distillation method has been used for over 300 years. The vapor mixture travels into a condenser system where it cools rapidly. Temperature and pressure sensors monitor every stage to protect delicate aromatic molecules. Once condensed, the liquid separates naturally. A thin layer of oil floats on top of rose water. Automated separators extract this oil with high precision. After the first distillation, the remaining rose water is redistilled to recover additional oil, increasing yield by nearly 15%. Large facilities operate 24 hours a day during the short harvest season, which lasts only 3 to 4 weeks per year. Some plants process over 110,000 pounds of petals daily. On average, 1 acre of roses produces only 4 to 6 pounds of oil per season. That's why prices can reach $7,000 to $10,000 per kilogram on the global market. Bulgarian rose oil contains over 300 natural chemical compounds, including citronellol and geraniol, which are highly valued in luxury fragrance manufacturing. Modern distilleries now use automated pressure control systems and stainless steel cooling units to maintain consistent quality across every batch. Yet harvesting remains fully manual. Machines cannot replicate the gentle touch required to protect the petals. This human element protects product value. Because the harvest window is so short, logistics planning must be precise. Missing one morning can cost thousands of dollars in lost oil yield. From nearly 8,000 pounds of fresh petals down to just 2 pounds of pure oil, this is one of the most labor-intensive agricultural products in the world. The industry generates millions in export revenue annually, supplying perfume houses across Europe, the United States, and the Middle East. Lower-grade petals are not wasted. They are processed into rose water, cosmetics, and food products, maximizing total farm profitability. Even post-distillation biomass is composted and returned to the fields as organic fertilizer, creating a closed-loop agricultural system. So next time you open a luxury perfume bottle, remember that inside may be the result of thousands of pounds of hand-harvested roses and one of the most precise distillation processes in modern agriculture. Now we move from delicate petals to powerful machinery, where advanced equipment is transforming modern agriculture through automation and efficiency. Meanwhile, the John Deere 8RX takes field management to another level. Its 4-track system reduces soil compaction by 20%. With 410 horsepower, it handles rough terrain smoothly, ensuring consistent performance in all seasons. To wrap things up in France, Normandy's fields watch a Poetinger triple mower carve a 33-foot cutting path with striking accuracy. Powered by a 240 horsepower Fendt 724, it clears over 15 acres per hour. Built for spring forage, it boosts output while protecting soil structure. Finally, in Norway, the Combi 1010C harvests carrots with power and precision. It digs, cleans, and sorts in one go, processing 5 tons per hour. Perfect for cold climates, it keeps operations smooth and crops fresh year-round. In California, the world's first robot farm operates 24/7. Automated planters, drones, and harvesters handle every task with AI precision. It reduces labor costs by 60% and leads the future of sustainable agriculture. And when it's sugarcane season, this harvester rules the fields. With a 400 horsepower engine and self-cleaning blades, it cuts and loads cane at 100 tons per hour, ensuring high sugar recovery and minimal crop loss. This high-performance turf cutter from Europe removes thick grass layers with ease. Operating at 4 kilometers per hour, it slices cleanly without harming roots. Landscapers and homeowners use it for flawless lawn renovation and soil aeration. The New Holland T7070, paired with the Holoras front royer, digs, cleans, and transfers onions directly to moving trucks. Farmers save up to 80% of labor and finish harvesting in record time. Across the United States and Europe, these machines redefine fieldwork with precision and speed. The result is productivity multiplied and human effort reduced to simple control and supervision. And that's how modern agriculture technology is transforming farming. Thank you for visiting AhTech. Explore our engaging videos showcasing cutting-edge agriculture technology. Don't miss out, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more interesting AhTech content.